How to save video from CapCut to gallery. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. Edit your video. After you're done editing, click on arrow located at top right corner of your screen. Simply click on arrow on top right corner of your screen and it will lead you to this page. Simply select the quality you want, as there is 480 resolutions, 2 frame rates. After that, click on export, and when you open gallery, you'll find the video you saved earlier from CapCut in your gallery. And this is how to save video from CapCut to gallery. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.